Okay, let's have a look at the question. The simple interest on a sum of money for 3 years at 6 2 by 3% per annum. 6 2 by 3% per annum is 6,750. What will be the compound interest on the same sum at the same rate for the same period compounded annually? Yes, they are told it's a 3 years, right? Look at time given is 3 years. A rate of interest. A rate is 6 2 by 3 percentage. 6 2 by 3 percentage. Or I can say it is 20 by 3 percentage. 6 3 times 18 plus 2, 20 by 3 percentage. Okay. The simple interest per annum is 6,750. We don't know what is the principal amount. First, we have to find the principal amount. Okay. First, we have to find the principal amount. Now look here. This is they have told total simple interest is 6,750. Now, if you are going to look into this, we already know the formula for simple interest, right? Simple interest is nothing but PTR by 100. Principal time into rate divided by 100. We know simple interest, we know time, we know R, and we can find out the principal. So this principal says T into R, T into, or else it is nothing but simple interest, 6,750 into 100 divided by time, time is 3 years, into rate, rate is 20 by 3, 20 divided by 3 into 100, right? 20 divided by 3 into 100, 20 by 3 percentage. Yes, what is the principal amount you have got? 3 gets cancelled, 0 gets cancelled, and 2 1 times, 250 times. So it is 5,000 into 675. That's the principal, right? So 675 into 5 gives 3,375. This is the number. 33,750 is the answer. Okay. 33,750 because we have already taken 100 there. PTR by 100. Where 100 is already taken, we cannot take it 100 once again. This is it clear? 33,750 we have got. Now what you are going to do? This is the principal. Now this is the first part. After getting out the principal here. Okay, after getting the principal, you have to find out the compound interest section. So principal is 33,750. Rate is again 20 by 3 percentage, and time is 3 years. What is the compound interest? What is the compound interest? So again, you will be using the formula, right? Amount is equals to, right? Amount is equals to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole to the power N. So here we'll get the amount. We know P, we know N, we know R, we know N. So if you're going to N or T, whatever it is, okay, N or T. If you're going to solve this, you'll get the amount. And if you're going to subtract it with the principal, you will get the answer. If you're going to follow this, can I see it will take around minimum 3 minutes to solve? Minimum 2 to 3 minutes. Right? Because if you're going to take out the principal here, principal is 33,750 into 1 plus R is nothing but 20 by 3, which gives 20 by 300 here, whole to the power 3. So this gives 33,750 into 320 divided by 300 whole to the power 3. So I can cancel out and I can take out this one, which is nothing but 16 by 15. 16 by 15 whole to the power 3 and 33,750. Yes, if you're going to solve this, you'll get the answer as 7,210. Now, how you're going to tackle this? Please understand, is there any trick to solve? Because whenever you get any questions on simple interest and compound interest, yes, of course, the questions will be lengthier. Now, the point is how you're going to reduce the step. Instead of going with those lengthy process and getting the answer as 7,210, what we'll do is we'll first understand how this compound interest and simple interest works. Okay, let us assume like you have taken simple interest here, and on the other side it is compound interest. I'm not talking about this question, I'm talking in general. Okay, not about this, I'm explaining the concept here, general. So if you're going to take out the principal, please look into this. If this is 100,000, please understand, and if the rate is, of course, the easy rate is 10% here. After 1 year, interest becomes 100, right? What happens to the amount? Amount becomes 1,100. Again, after second year, interest is again 100 and amount becomes 1200. Please understand this. And after third year, interest is again 100 and amount becomes 1300. This is how it is going to work in case of simple interest, right? Yes, please respond with yes or no. This is after 1 year, 2 year, 3 years. Right, guys? This is how it is going to work, right? Now I'm going to take out the principal same here of 1000 and rate is 10% so that it will be clear or easy for you guys to understand. Yes, what happens after first year? Can I say interest is same 100 and can I say amount is 1100? Now look here, whenever you're going to look at the simple interest and the compound interest, the one basic understanding what you have to do is the interest at the end of 1 year is exactly same for simple interest as well as the compound interest. Why? Because compound interest, it is going to take interest on interest. But for the first year, of course, we will not have any interest. We will be having only principal amount. You're getting it? We will be having only principal amount. You're getting my point? We have only principal amount, so we will not have any extra interest. That is why simple interest is equals to compound interest at the end of first year. Now look here, what happens in the second year? What happens to the interest? In compound interest, the interest will keep on updating, or I can say the amount at the end of the first year is nothing but the principal for the second year. So interest depends on this amount here. So can I say it is 110, right? Can I write it as 110? Yes, this is the way of writing the interest, but how to tackle with respect to the basic one? Or look here, or please understand, or the normal basic interest. What is the basic interest? It is 100. It is 100 plus interest on the obtained interest. Plus interest on the obtained interest. Yes, what is interest? 10% on this 100. Yes, it is 10. Can I say it is 110? It is two-way. One thing is like you can directly take it from this one. The other thing is like interest is nothing but the normal interest plus interest on the accumulated interest. Is it clear? Understand this. So I can say the amount is equals to 1210. Now I hope it will get cleared in this step. I equals to interest is 121. Or what happens to this? Or first is 100. Next is 10 here. And what about this? This is 11, right? You have to take out the interest of this and interest of this interest also, 10 and 11. So can I say it is 121? Yes. This is the basic concept you need to understand. Yes, I have not taken any big derivations. I have not taken even a formula also. I have taken a basic thing. Now look here, I'm going to solve the problem. The same thing, same problem, whatever given in the question within 1 minute. Within 1 minute. And if you're going to approximate it, I can say you can solve it in 30 seconds now. Wondered? Yes, we can do it. Look here. What is the question here? Number of years is 3. Yes, of course, we can go with that. What is that they have given? They have given interest for 3 years. Simple interest for 3 years is 6,720. Can I say interest at the end of 1 year is 2,250? Can I say this? Interest at the end of 1 year, because 6,750 divided by 3. That is the simple interest. Can I say simple interest of the 1 year or compound interest of the 1 year? Is it same? Now what we have to find? We have to find out the total interest at the end of what? At the end of 3 years. Now look here, is this interest getting changed? No, it is the principal interest. Yes, of course, this is what the principal interest we have to take. Yes, what is the interest for the second year? This is the interest for the first year. What about the interest at the end of second year? It is 2,250, the basic one, plus 20 by 3% of this. 20 by 3% of this. Can I say approximated value of 6%? Right? Can I say it is approximated 6%? Yes, plus 6% of 2,250. This is the interest here. Yes, what is the value here? Check it out. What is 6% of this? Or you can find out what is 20% divided by 3. You can do that also. 20 by 3%. What is 20%? 10% is 225, right? 10% is 225. 20% is 450. 450 divided by 3 is 150. Can I say 2,250 plus 150, which gives 2,400 is the interest? It is the interest at the end of second year. Now, yes, we'll be looking at the interest at the end of third year. Third year, what is it? Yes, 2,250 plus 6% on this. Yes, what is 6% of this? How much it is? 150? Yes, plus 6% of this now. Sorry, 6% or 20 by 3 percentage. 20 is nothing but 48. Can you say it is 160? Is it clear? Can I say it is 160? Yes, if you're going to add this, can I say it is 310, which is nothing but 2,560. Now look here, these are the interest at the end of each year. If you're going to add it, check out what is the sum. So 222 gives 6,000, 6,250, 400 gives 650, and again 560 gives 7,210. Now look here, how much time it will take. Just simple interest I have done. And what I have done, I have done 20 by 3 percentage. How much time it will take? Hardly 1 minute. Please check it out. Thanks for watching. And for more updates on similar videos, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.